Okay, Assalamualaikum. Okay, this is my teaching video on the cardiovascular system, but I will focus on the pathway of blood through the heart. Okay, our heart functions as a double pump, which we have the right heart and the left heart. So, the right heart is the pulmonary circuit pump. Why? Because from the it pump from the right heart to the lungs, okay, and back to the left heart. While the left heart is the systemic circuit pump because it pumps the blood from the left heart to the body tissues and back to the right heart. Okay. Alright, this is a diagram that showing pulmonary circuit and systemic circuit. Okay. Why they are called left and right heart just now. Remember the blue color. Okay, the blue color we consider as the pulmonary circuit. Okay, why is blue? Because it contains deoxygenated blood that pump from the body tissue here. Okay, so it contains very full oxygen and high in carbon dioxide. Okay, it pump through the into the right heart, pump to the lungs and back to the left heart. Okay, why the left heart? Okay, you can see here is the right color. Sorry, is the red color. Okay, pumping from the lungs that contain rich in oxygen and poor carbon dioxide because the gas exchange happens here. Okay, the gas exchange occurs. So pump to the left heart, and from the left heart here it pumps through our body tissue. Okay, the pathway of blood through the heart from the right atrium. Okay, it's starting from superior vena cava or inferior vena cava, pump to the right atrium. Okay, it will enter the right ventricle through the tricuspid valve. From right ventricle, pump to the pulmonary trunk. Okay, crossing the pulmonary semilunar valve. From pulmonary trunk to the pulmonary arteries, pump to the lungs. Okay. Remember lungs here, where the gas exchange occurs. So from the lungs, pump to the pulmonary veins, to the left atrium. From the left atrium here, it will pass through the bicuspid valve to the left ventricle. From left ventricle, pass through the aortic semilunar valve, okay, to the aorta, and from the aorta to the systemic circulation, and so it back to the right heart. Okay, this is the diagram which I hope you can easily understand. Alright, this is the inferior vena cava. This is superior vena cava that pumping the blood from our body tissue into the right atrium. Okay, right atrium passing the tricuspid valve here to the right ventricle. Right ventricle pass the pulmonary semilunar valve. Okay, into the pulmonary trunk. Pulmonary trunk to the pulmonary arteries. Okay, pulmonary arteries pump to the lungs. Okay, pump to the lungs for gas exchange. Okay, from lungs here, it pump back to the pulmonary veins. Okay, here this is pulmonary veins. Enter the left atrium. From left atrium, passing the bicuspid valve to the left ventricle. Okay, from left ventricle, it will pump to the aorta, passing the aortic semilunar valve. From the aorta here, okay, it will pump through our body tissues, which is the systemic circulation. Right. And there is another circulation that happens at our heart, which we call as coronary circulation. Okay, what is coronary circulation? Is a circulation to and from the tissues of the heart. Okay, circulation to and from the tissues of the heart we call as coronary circulation. And then it divided into right and left coronary arteries, and they are branched from the aorta. Okay, branched from the aorta, and via their main branches it will supply the heart itself. Okay. Venous blood, okay, venous blood collected by the cardiac veins is emptied into the coronary sinus. Okay, we look at the picture. Okay, this is the major coronary arteries. Remember, it divided into left coronary arteries and right coronary arteries. So it branches from the aorta here. This is the branches, okay, that supply the heart to and from the heart tissue. Okay, and another one, this is the venous blood. Okay, venous blood, remember, we have the great cardiac veins. So it will empty through this coronary sinus, okay, through out from the heart and back again into the aorta and go to their main branches for the coronary arteries. Alright, that's all for me. So this is the explanation, a simple explanation of pathway of blood and also the coronary circulation. Okay, right, thank you.